Okay, I haven't filmed anything, but I am in Singapore. I come to Singapore every year. I've been here for about, like 4 days. This is my 4th day. I'm with Sotia. This is my friend. Say hi. He's not, he can't speak apparently. But they built like a new mall inside of the airport. So we're gonna go check it out real quick. And it's supposed to be pretty cool, so I'll show you guys. Keep in mind, this is an airport, and in the airport they have the world's biggest indoor waterfall, because that's what they do in Singapore apparently.
That's insane. That's actually...
I don't know if you guys, okay, I know you guys can see that. It's like a waterfall in the middle of like a fucking forest, and we're inside of a airport. I don't know where he's taking me now, but we can get down to the ground floor too, so we're gonna do that eventually. Okay, tell me that doesn't look like the thing that, who's the main character in Mission Impossible? I forgot what his name, Tom Cruise. That looks like the thing that Tom Cruise jumps into, but I'm not wrong. Hey. Tell us a little bit about the Pokemon store here.
It's quite small actually. It's actually quite small. But I'll be honest, it's actually quite small. But they have a Pokédex.
And it's the first one outside of Japan. He left that part out. He just doesn't like doesn't like me apparently. God.
That's kind of cool.
Pick your favorite Pokemon there if you want.
Pick my favorite Pokemon?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do that.
I'll find a Pokemon for you. They have like statues of Pokemon in here. And first of all, there's a lot of little Asian kids in here. Not a surprise, but look at all of these. It's just... What is this? Is this Eevee?
Yeah, it's Eevee in a Pikachu hoodie.
If you ever played Pokemon Go, you know that's Eevee, or Pokemon Quest. That's the plug right there. Dragon Pokemon.
There's a lot of dragons.
That one looks cool.
Okay, cute. Okay, want easy, medium, or hard question?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, easy. So because I was thinking about hard question. Okay, you can name me a weakness that dragon types have.
Do you need me to answer?
Water.
Do you need me to answer?
It's a new type. It's a new type. One of the newer types.
Do you need me to answer?
Yeah.
Fairy.
Okay, very good job. Good job. Now you can get a sticker too.
Yes. Thank you. So if you saw that, so let's say to answer the question for me, because I know nothing about Pokemon, but I got a sticker. So happy. Thank you. This line is the line for Shake Shack. What the fuck? It's like 3 in the afternoon. What are they standing in line for? Dinner? What the hell?
You're not dramatic. Okay, we gotta enter. Dramatic entrance. Get it right, bro.
What the actual fuck, Singapore? I've been coming here since literally I was 1. I've never seen anything like this ever in my life. Crazy shit. Crazy shit. Look at this. Does it keep going farther down?
Yeah, that's our basement. It goes to the basement.
There's a basement. Oh my god, what the fuck?
And the basement has like, the basement has
That's
A&W.
insane. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll go look at that. Oh, Shake Shack. That line is crazy, bro. God damn. We're on the top floor right now. This is literally the nicest mall I've ever been to. We checked out Adidas and Nike, which I probably should have filmed, but fuck, I didn't film it. I'm gonna come. Yeah, I'm gonna come back at some point. They're opening up like a net thing that's like a bouncy net up here, and like they have like a slide up here, and they have a hedge maze and a mirror maze. So I'm forcing him to come back with me at some point, so that way we can do all that stuff when it opens up. It's gonna be dope. So we're at a milk tea shop. So milk tea, it's pretty much black tea, but it has a lot of milk in it, so it's sweet. We both got, what do we get? Brown sugar ice cream milk tea. It's gonna be good. It's pretty much like the equivalent to Dutch Bros for us when it comes to like lines and how popular it is and price. So yeah, just to give you a little comparison, but I'll show you guys how they make it. That's funny.
Can we sit somewhere? I'll check out where we can sit. Sorry.
So obviously I've had milk tea before, but I've never had this kind of milk tea. It's like a different kind of one. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but this is my first taste.
Is this the part where you add in like dramatic music?
It is really good. It's actually really, it's really good. I didn't know how to react, but yeah, that's a solid drink. You gotta, somebody has to come to Singapore with me next time. Fuck, goddamn. We're very confused on what happened, but that is all fog. What the fuck happened? I don't know. But it's foggy as shit. It's clearing up now, but
Yeah, it is.
that's weird. So this is the bottom of the waterfall. Let me show you something. Put your face in it. Oh shit. No, it's glass. It's kind of cool though. It's kind of cool. Also, A&W is still a thing in Singapore. It's the only one in Singapore, and it has a long ass line because it's the only one, I guess. But it's kind of crazy because A&Ws in the US are like kind of gone at this point, pretty much, unless you see the root beer at KFC, but that's pretty much it. It's kind of weird, guys. We're in line for Shake Shack. It's a fucking tongue twister. I keep messing up. We're in line. They're split into 3 sections. We're in the 3rd section right now. The line is crazy. If you saw, I showed you guys earlier. So we just got in line. What time is it? Show them what time it is. Show them. Yep. We need proof, bro. 4:28. and I'll let you guys know when we get in. It'll probably be a minute though, because it's like, how many people do you think are in this line?
4.
What the? It's not 4. So it's 5 a.m. in Florida, which is where Xavier is. But I FaceTimed him and I asked him. I couldn't decide between a lemonade, a peanut butter milkshake, or a concrete mixer. So I FaceTimed Xavier to ask him which I should get, and he told me a concrete mixer. Yes, he picked up the phone. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. It has chocolate custard with vanilla brownie, shack fudge sauce, chocolate chunks, and chocolate sprinkles. That's the move right there. It's 5 o'clock. So we just finished ordering, and it's kind of expensive, but I also ordered, well, okay, if you know me, I don't handle spice well, and I ordered a spicy burger. I don't know why, but that's how we do here in Asia. I also bought these. They're socks. If you know me, I love socks, and they were also $2. So I'm not complaining, not complaining at all. And we will let you know how it is, won't we? Cheese. So Letzia's in the bathroom, but I'm going to try the spicy burger now, or the smoke shack burger. Oh, all right. It's got a little bit of a kick. It's really good though. And the shack sauce is really good too. Damn, that's a really good fucking burger. Guys, I'm so dead right now. We're at a fucking... This is a fucking supermarket. It's literally a supermarket, and we're in an airport. I was laughing my ass off just now. This is so funny. This is so funny. Hey, what are we doing?
Waiting for the light show.
God damn, Jesus Christ.
What?
I tell him that he has to talk, and that's all he says. Continue.
That's pretty much what we're doing.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We're waiting for the light show. It's at the Waterfall, and yeah, right there. That's still dope as fuck. But it's about an hour until the light show, but it's already starting to fill in, so I think we might just hang out here and wait. So we'll see. It's starting. It's 7:30. It literally just turned 7:30 and it just did this shit. Well, I don't know what's happening. What? The waterfall
The
is gone.
HSBC
Oh my
Vortex
God.
Light and Sound Show will be starting soon. Please enjoy the show.
I think this is just so funny because it's a mall and it has a movie theater, it has a supermarket, it has a giant waterfall, but it's like you look over and you can see like like arrivals. Like that's people about to go on flights right there. And then I just think it's so funny because like also in the mall there's like places where you can check in just randomly scattered around the mall, and you can just check in and then go shop. It's fucking weird. I've never seen anything like that before. I thought it was pretty awesome though. And yeah. Oh shit.
It's okay, you can cut this bit out.
Well, no.
Post edit.
No. I forgot to say what's up, Weijing Nation. So I'm saying it right now. What's up, Weijing Nation? And I'll catch y'all next time.